Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to save a video on VSCO without membership. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As of now, VSCO requires a paid membership to edit and export videos. The free version of VSCO allows you to edit and save photos, but video editing and exporting are features reserved for subscribers. Now, the available options to save videos without a membership are by simply starting the free trial. To do it, simply head over and tap on the smiley icon on the bottom of your screen. Then, once you are here, tap on the two horizontal bar on the top left corner of your screen. Now, once you're inside here, you will be seeing an option that says upgrade to pro. Simply tap on that, and now here you'll find the option that says start free trial and continue. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully start your free trial. VSCO offers a 7-day free trial of its membership, which includes video editing and exporting capabilities. You can utilize this to explore the features and decide if subscription meets your needs. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.